Hello members, welcome to this video. It's going to be a short video. A couple of people complained about the medical app. It had some bug, more especially when you are signing up new doctors, registering new doctors. It couldn't actually uh, be able to do onboarding. Okay, so I went and I cleaned up some things on the medical app. I added in this logo instead of the other icon. Most people are just like using the logo here. So I added the logo and I also removed this search bar from the header. I was feeling like it is cluttering the header. Uh, then I also cleaned up the login page. It is looking now much better. As you can see, plus the sign up page, it's also looking much better. So I'm just going to go to, I also changed the layout. As you can see, there is no footer and header on these two pages, the login and the register page. There is no header and footer. So I created them their own layout. So let's just check the one that had problems, and that is the doctor onboarding. So if you click either onto this VA service provider here, or you click on list service, you will come to this page, and this is the page that we use for registering new doctors. We can choose any of these, they will work. So I'm just going to click on get started. This will route me to this sign up page where you can sign up as a new doctor. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I can just go here to let me just go ahead and create here a doctor. So I'm just going to do fake filler, and then here is going to, okay, let's just go ahead. I'm just going to make this a simple password. Let me copy this. So this is a doctor creating an account. So um, can just wait and see. You can see account created, and the take us to this verify. So this is a place where it was getting stuck from here. So they send the email. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the code, and let's take the code here, verify. So now you will see that it is going to route to login onboarding. So if I just go ahead and log in now, let me just go ahead and log in. Okay, this is going to proper route to the onboarding page, which was not happening before. Um, uh, so right now, everything is working as expected. Um, if you just go to this information, you can of course add in this, update the information the way you want. If you just click here, even update was not updating, but you can see right now it updates, takes you to the next, and you can just like go ahead and use a fake filler here. Okay, maybe license. Okay, yes, like create a license. This is my bio. You can upload the image. Let's add this, maybe this one. You can see this is populated now, and the phone number. So you just like fill in all the remaining places. Okay, save and continue. So you can see everything is working very well. I can just go in the dashboard and I show you some also update here. So now, also by default right now, the settings, I've made availability Monday to Saturday to be by default. When you create a user will create, if I can show you here, like in the user. So when you create a user, we'll come here, we'll send an email for the token, and then it will also create a doctor profile. So it will create, first of all, it will create a profile using this data here, create a doctor profile, and then we'll use the profile to create the availability. Okay, so it creates all this availability so that the doctor don't have to feed in. Maybe the doctor can just simply remove the things they don't want, but it is much simpler than actually adding than removing. Removing is much easier. Yeah, so those are the updates, and that's the bug that was disturbing, and they have fixed it. The also one more thing is that I'm just going to add. You saw I've commented out this code for testing, but this is going to be blocking some. You can of course also just if you are testing, you can comment it out. It's going to be for blocking is going to be for blocking temporary email addresses. So if I just come and I comment it now, maybe I could just go to localhost. I don't think on localhost we are still there. I would go on localhost and I show you how this one works. Okay, like it will not allow registering of temporary emails, but otherwise everything right now is so far so good. And I'm just going to update the source code. You can just like get it as usual. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Maybe I'm just going to log out here, and then let me just try to log in. Maybe sign up. Okay. And then let's just try to use a fake filler here. So you can see when you try to use a fake filler now, it will give you an error because of the this code that added here. Okay. Yeah. So if you don't want for testing purposes, you can remove it. Then in production, you will just allow it. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Okay, so then I will just like add the source code, you'll find it there. Someone was asking about how do you make doctors appear, uh, if I may just go back to this here. So you can see like currently this doctor here is on the, maybe just go home here. I just go home. You can't say like we have no doctors under the in-person visit. They are under telehealth, and you can just say like if you want to make a doctor to be under like the under in person, you just simply go back to settings, and you can see currently is in person. Sorry, right now currently is the operational mode is the telehealth. You can change this to in person and then you update. Okay, and then if you come back here and you refresh, this person is going to appear now under here. Okay, it is just a simple setting that a person has to do. I just saw this message on WhatsApp. Someone messaged me saying here you can just go ahead and also choose these services and other things that you can, of course. But for now, that's what they can just like create. Or this is how you can manage under settings. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you in the next video.